Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up dynamic lock to automatically lock your windows when you step away from your PC. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on Accounts. Now scroll down and go to Sign In options. Here you can see Dynamic Lock. Click on it. Now you can see here, allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. You just have to turn on this button. Make sure that your Bluetooth is connected to your devices. So this is how you can set up dynamic lock to automatically lock your windows when you step away from your PC. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.